Get ready and start. Present petition has been filed under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for quashing of complaint dated 24 December 2015, Annexure P4, as well as summoning order dated 24 December 2015, Annexure P5, passed by the learned judicial magistrate first class Panipat, whereby the petitioner have been summoned for the commission of offence punishable under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Stop. Brief facts of the case are that respondent Messrs. Polyloan Fabrics Private Limited filed a complaint under sections 138 and 142 of the Act through its director Nikhil Gupta against the petitioners by alleging that the complainant is doing the business of manufacturing and sale of different kind of fabric as well as zip across the country. Stop. Petitioner number 1 is alleged to be a registered firm, whereas petitioner number 2, Bhushan Verma, and petitioner number 3, Vipin Mittal, are its partners, and thus they are liable to the act, conduct, and ratification of the said firm. It is further alleged that the complainant respondent was having the business dealings with the petitioners, and in due course the petitioners purchased the material from the respondent since the financial year 2013 onwards in the bulk quantities, and there was outstanding payments against the petitioner's store. It is further alleged that in the financial year 2013-2014 bulk purchase of rupees 9 crore was made, and against which the petitioner issued a credit note of rupees 32 lakh and paid rupees 7 crore plus general transfer through Messrs. Lokesh Textile 58,000 and cash tender of rupees 10 lakh adjoining rupees 4 lakh on account of check bounce. Stock. Thereafter a sum of rupees 38 lakh was carried forward for the subsequent financial year as balance outstanding after adjustment of rebate and discount of rupees 28 lakh. Stock. Similarly, for the financial year 2014-15, the bulk purchase was made worth rupees 26 lakh, and again a credit note of rupees 25 crore was issued, and thereafter for the financial year 2015-2016 till October 2015, the petitioners purchased material worth rupees 16 lakh store to discharge their liability on account of payment of outstanding amount mentioned above. The petitioner issued a check bearing number 47 dated 23rd October 2015, Annexure P2, drawn on Canara Bank Panipat main branch for rupees 5 crore from the account of petitioner number 1 company in favor of the complainant respondent, with the assurance that the check issued by the company will be honored as and when the same is presented for the collection by the complainant respondent. Stop.